Okay, set up natin to. Camping tent. Set up.
I was down but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no lie. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Whoa. Yeah, I was down but now I'm up. I was down but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no lie. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I was down but now I'm up. I was down but now swing my bat at this.
Yo, what up mga kulisap? Camping tayo guys. Good day everyone. Kamusta kayong lahat? Camping tayo. Ito yung na-score ko na camping tent sa thrift shop. Tapos, nabili natin ng sangsing lang. 3,000 yen. Then, check natin yung brand niya guys. Ito yung brand niya. Tignan nyo guys kung goods ba yan na score ko, kung steel price ba yan, kung napamahal ba ako or napamura ba. Comment nyo nga guys. So as you can see, kita nyo naman, cool man yung na-score nating tent. And nabuo na natin siya. Tapos ngayon in-experience ko na siya, paano ang feeling ng higaan siya. So yung presyo pala nito guys is 3,000 yen. So kung i-convert nyo yun sa peso, calculator nyo na lang guys. 3,000 times 0.36 or 0.37 guys. Kayo na bahala. Hindi tayo mahilig sa math. Pasensya na kayo guys. So yan, na-experience natin kung gaano ba pakiramdam ng nakahiga sa tent. Minamanifest na natin yung feeling ng magka-camping. So next vlog siguro, magka-camping vlog tayo. Try natin yung tent. So yan, pala mo talaga nasa camping site na siya eh. Kita nyo naman dyan guys, yung feeling ng excitement na magkaroon ng tent. Kahit maliit na bagay yan guys, appreciate ko.
Ohayo.
So kita-kits sa next review. Kibo signing off. Peace.
Audio Jungle.